12:36 p.m. June 10, 2025. So yeah, looks like they're trying to chip away what's left of the foundation and basement of the Ascension building, but since there's not a lot left here, just the straggle materials, there's not much we can get from here. But so far the building here has progressed well up to there. You also can hear. And there's also the materials for the but I think once they're done with that, they're gonna do the expansion of the frame. Oh, you can see it from this view. They're tearing out the old foundation of the Ascension building. And that's about it. Oh yeah, as for here, not much. Like, again, they have the little thing, it's now up here, so I think that's going to be an access chamber. Yeah, I'm pretty sure there's a basement underneath. I'm not sure, but obviously you can't see it. And then here again, the building's going to extend through here, as shown as this render here. I'll zoom out a bit. There's the render. So yeah, and that actually shows the building here. So they're definitely gonna go around, complete it, and looky here. We have the spec. So that's nice. Oh yeah, they're still doing construction work. So yeah. You know, other than the Angel East, this was probably going to be the first major, construction site of visit since the conversion of Xenix to Aldi. Yeah. And I'm pretty sure that's to throw stuff in the trash. Yeah, because they are definitely chipping out the old foundations. For sure. So yeah, it's kind of noisy. So there's not much else I can say, other than I'm pretty sure that's gonna go towards taking some of the stuff to the landfill. But other than that, not much else to report here. But yeah, I hope you all like, comment, subscribe. Thanks all for watching today's video, and have a great day. Bye. And the machine just turned off.